Question number 17. If P, Q and R are three languages, if P and R are regular and if PQ equals to R, then option number A, Q has to be a regular. Option number B, Q cannot be a regular. Option number C, Q needs to be regular. And the last option is Q has to be context free language. Let's discuss. Option number A, Q has to be a regular. This statement is not necessarily true. While it's possible for Q to be regular in some cases, it's not a guarantee. Regular languages are closed under concatenation, which means that if P and R are regular and PQ equals to R, then R can be regular even if Q is not. Therefore, Q does not have to be a regular. Option number B, Q cannot be regular. This statement is also not necessarily true. This is no restriction on Q that would prevent it from being regular. It's possible for Q to be regular if P and R are regular and PQ equals to R. However, it's also possible for Q to be a non-regular. Option number C, Q needs to be a regular. This statement is incorrect. While it's possible for Q to be a regular in some cases, it's not a requirement. There is no inherent need for Q to be a regular just because P and R are regular and PQ equals to R. The last option is Q has to be a context-free language. This statement is also not necessarily true. While it's true that if P and R are regular and PQ equals to R, then Q is a context-free language. It does not mean that Q has to be a context-free language. There are cases where Q could be a regular language, a context-free language, or even a non-context-free language. Therefore, none of the provided options are entirely accurate. The correct answer would be that there is no definite conclusion about the regularity or the class of language Q. It could be regular, context-free language, or even non-context-free, depending on the specific language P, Q, and R.